Ito na yung ating finished product of whole cinnamon roll, guys. Ang dami na naman. Ayan. For our cinnamon toppings, guys, I have 1 and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, dark brown sugar, and 200 ml of raisin. And 1 cup of butter. So, mimix lang natin together itong ating first topping. This is cinnamon powder, guys. 1, 2, 3, para masarap. 4. This is about right. So, antayin natin yung ating dough. Malapit na siya. I-mold natin. Alright, so our dough is about right. Oh my gosh. So, kanya na siya ngayon, guys. Okay, so we will add that cinnamon in here. So, this is our first topping. Okay, so it's our cinnamon for today. You can fold like that and cut. Yung nabuo natin, guys. So, set aside muna natin. Let it rest for 45 minutes bago natin siya ibig. Ganyan lagi yung ginagawa natin. So, lagyan muna natin siya ng plastic. Ito na yan. Ayan na, luto na siya. Budbud na lang natin yung ating nasa ibabaw. Okay. Ito na yung ating finished product of whole cinnamon roll, guys. Ang dami na naman. Ayan, see, as you can see, guys, yummy, yummy. Ayan. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Ipo-frozen lang namin to.